Wanna know how to earn free credits in Lovable? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Lovable AI application, and once you're on with it, here you should be seeing your Lovable website right here. You can just simply open up any website, and you can just simply open up any web browser and type in lovable.dev. So once you are there, make sure you are logged in as well. So on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile if you aren't. If you aren't, we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have logged in, on the top right side, you should be seeing your current profile. Just simply select it. So once you've selected your profile, here you should be seeing various options. The bottom you should be seeing right below create new workspace, you should be seeing something known as get free credits. So you can just simply select it. So once you've selected get free credits, here you can see how it works. So you can just simply share your invite link, and when they sign up and sign in, you simply get extra 10 credits. So you also get 10 credits once they publish their first website. So you can just simply copy link as well, just simply hit to your friends and make them sign up. This will help you get more credits, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.